At KCF Technologies, we work at the intersection of people and technology. We believe that artificial intelligence is not here to replace people. It's here to empower people. AI supports clear decisions, faster teams, and most importantly, safer work. That's why I'm excited to announce the launch of DeskAI, the third and most powerful evolution of KCF's SMARTdiagnostics AI suite. With DeskAI, we're moving closer to a world with no waste, no downtime, and no workplace injuries. So how does it work? Well, every machine has its own definition of healthy. That's why DeskAI includes a suite of specialized models, each trained to recognize developing faults on specific equipment, from pumps to gearboxes to overhead cranes. Think of it like medicine. Just as cardiologists focus on hearts and neurologists focus on brains, our AI models specialize across more than 150 equipment types, every one of them capable of identifying the earliest warning signs of over 50 root cause issues and faults. Here's what makes this system truly unique. First, scale. Our machine learning platform processes more than 1.2 billion full spectrum measurements per month across hundreds of thousands of assets. A constant flow of clean, contextualized data, feeding and refining our models every week. Second, expertise. We work side by side with the largest team of trained vibration analysts in North America. Their expertise guides our feature engineering, ensuring each model learns from the best. Third, feedback. Our platform doesn't just flag an issue, it learns from what happens next. Our workflows capture how problems are resolved by workers in the plants, helping us continuously improve accuracy and document value. And finally, Desk, our user-friendly interface that connects insights to action. Desk ensures the right information reaches the right people at the right time for collaboration and root cause analysis. The result? Smarter alerts, faster responses, safer operations. With SMARTdiagnostics powered by AI, our customers are empowered to act long before failure strikes, reducing downtime, protecting assets, and improving safety. We're proud of what this means for our users. So thank you for being a part of this journey. Together, we're building a smarter, safer, more resilient future.